Our non-OEM Universal Replacement CE285A cartridge for Hewlett-Packard's Laserjet Pro Series printers delivers outstanding performance from an aftermarket cartridge. This cartridge is used in the Laserjet Pro P1102 family of printers and MFPs, which include the P1102, M1212, M1214, M1217, and M1219 MFPs. Since cartridges used in this family of printers are similar, our engineers created a universal replacement that could be used across multiple printers. This single universal cartridge can be used in place of the CB435A, CB436A, and the popular CE285A cartridge, delivering consistent OEM comparable print performance from start to finish, exceeding the stated OEM page yield of 1,600 pages to 2,000 pages. For more in-depth product information, visit our website or contact your sales representative.